Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe and like. Today I want to talk about planets and stars. All the planets I'm talking about is also outside of our solar system. They're not inside. They're outside of our solar system. So the first planet we got up here is big and huge. HD. Well, I don't know its full name, but what I know about this planet, it is very big. But how big? If you want to compare Jupiter compared to it, you would be little. Jupiter will feel so small. What? Would be Jupiter compared to this planet. The planet is 9 times bigger than Jupiter, and it's the largest planet in the universe we discovered. And he's a star named Sirius A. Sirius A. It's a big star, and it's bigger than our sun, but only a little bigger. It is a blue dwarf star. And it also has a brother named Sirius B. Next is the biggest star in the universe. The biggest star in the universe. UY Scuti. I made a video on this, but you can check it out if you click on my channel name. If you find a video and you see my channel, click on it and then click on the channel button, and then that's how you find it. Anyway, let's just continue because you won't understand. UY Scuti is diameter is about 2 billion kilometers. It would swallow the orbit of Jupiter, leaving out to the orbit of Saturn and Uranus and Neptune. Next star is even bigger than UY Scuti. It's not Stevenson. It's the Quasar star. It is also bigger than UY Scuti and Stevenson. If you put it in the center of the solar system, it would swallow the orbit of Neptune, and it only leaves the dwarf planets, except for the mysterious planets, Planet 9. Next is a star that is the smallest normal star in the universe. The smallest normal. People say it's the smallest star, but they should say the smallest normal star. It's called EBM J05. Its diameter is just a bit small. It's just a bit smaller than Saturn. It's just a normal star. There's actually stars smaller than it, but this is just a normal star. The stars that are smaller than EBM or J05 are neutron stars. But if I say this, then it would be a size of a city. That's how big neutron stars are. Like, they're tiny. They would be size of like my city. Like cities like London. I can't tell anymore. That's the only city I know. But next up is a planet named Korot. What? You don't say this planet is funny, and don't say it doesn't exist, because it does. I'm not saying this planet is a carrot. It's a Korot 7b. I think it's called. It is bigger than the Earth. It's also hotter than the planet Venus. Also, its temperature is about 2,000 degrees. Next up is a planet named Theia. This planet is actually inside our solar system. We're just talking about it because it got destroyed at the early days when Theia collided with Earth. And the next is in the planet, the star Pollux. Pollux is bigger than our sun, and Pollux is the closest red giant to Earth too. Now, I'm not saying it's the closest star, the closest red giant star. Next is a triple system named Alpha Centauri. The stars are Alpha Centauri A, Alpha Centauri B, and Proxima Centauri. Alpha Centauri is the biggest star in this system, and its diameter is about the same size as the sun. The sun. Alpha Centauri. Next is Alpha Centauri B. Its diameter is a little smaller than the sun. The sun, Alpha Centauri B. Its size is about just a little bit bigger than HD. Next planet Next star is Proxima Centauri. It's the smallest star in the system, and it's only a little bigger than planet Jupiter. And its radius is 200,000 kilometers. The next star is Rigel. Rigel is a big star, but Rigel, if it's replacing the center of the solar system, it would just follow the orbit of Mercury, leaving all the other planets behind. Next planet is this Planet X. Planet X actually orbits the sun, but it orbits outside of the system. Is about 8.5 light years, which it means it orbits around three star systems. One is Alpha Centauri, the second is Sirius system, and the last is, of course, the solar system. This planet is different to Planet X, Planet 9, because it's also a mysterious planet, except for it is bigger than it. because its radius is about the same size as Uranus, Uranus and Neptune. Uranus and Neptune. Uranus and Neptune. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and like. See you all next time. Bye.